Yeah, it's recording.
What's up, Paul?
Alright, I don't know, but we have to do this first.
Okay, so first, we'll do Tyler.
You seem pretty nice.
Okay, you're my boyfriend, and I guess what to do first. Yeah, Skylar, since you're gonna watch this, yeah, we are officially, definitely going out, like, not big this time.
Okay.
Skylar is my favorite brother.
He's pretty hot.
And he needs to come back to New York.
Yeah.
And we've had some fun times. He calls me basketball. Somebody can ask me for that story later if they want to know why he calls me basketball.
Yeah.
Or ask him. He's Booger or Spider-Man. So.
Yeah.
Jenna. Hi, Jenna. Haven't talked to you in a while, so you were in my 8th grade class this year. I'm not in 8th grade anymore, obviously. But, yeah, you're really nice and pretty.
That's fine,
Brittany, you're dating my friend Nick, and you're really, really pretty, and I hope things between you and Nick work out. Because you guys have problems, I guess.
Okay, next one, Bobby. I've known you for like 1.5 years now, and you're really cool, and I talk to you every once in a while. And apparently it makes you sad that we don't talk as much anymore. Stop doing that.
Why? It's fun.
Okay, anyway, it's moving on. Let's let you know that you're whatever.
Yeah, we don't know how to say your last name, so you should call us.
Or text us. No, you can't do that.
You can't. Call us and tell us how to say your last name.
Yeah, please, because we don't know.
Okay. You have my number.
Yeah. Next one, Evan.
We don't know you.
Who that is.
We don't know you, but you liked our status anyways.
Okay. So
we don't know you.
I don't know who that is either.
I got you know my friend Amber. Well, she's not really my friend anymore, but yeah.
Okay, Ricky Scott, you're amazing, and you're in my best friend's band. Yeah.
Shut the music.
So, yeah. Next person. Don't turn it up that loud. Turn it up. No, because then you're not going to be going dick face. Anyways, okay. My ghetto buddy, Marcos, my half-Mexican ghetto buddy, you're really cool, and you complained to me that I don't currently share my Mountain Dew with you, but I would if you just asked. Anyways.
Who wants to see my backless shirt?
I don't have time for this.
Okay, backless. My brother Skylar called me a slut for that.
Okay, next person.
Kayla, you're carrying my love child, and we're in the prostitution business together. Rainbow prostitution. So, 1-800-696-969-69696.
Okay. Dalton?
Dalton, you're pretty fun. And
yeah, and I know you, but everybody says that you're a douche apparently.
But, we made Valerie mad before by calling each other. He called me late at night one night, and Valerie hates you, so.
Savannah's Valen's sister. It's Savannah. No.
Okay, do her now.
Okay. Savannah, Barb, you're amazing, and you butt raped me at school for some reason, but you do this to everybody, and I love you with all my heart. Okay. Next person. Harley.
Hi, I don't know you, Harley, but you're really, really pretty. And, I don't know, you just added me, so, I don't know.
Alright. Aaron, you're one of my bestest friends ever, and you are amazing, and I'm sorry that we didn't get to hang out over break as much as we were supposed to. I'm so sorry for that.
She was busy hanging out with me.
Dickwad.
No, I was in Texas most of the break, so she wasn't. She was hanging out at my house, just not with me.
I was stuck at their house. But anyways, okay, next one, Mariah Haviland. I hated you at the beginning of the year because you were, like, bitchy and odd and weird, but now I guess we're okay friends, so yeah.
Sean, my favorite black friend, you're really stupid sometimes. And you texted me something weird earlier that I'm not going to say.
What?
I don't know.
You told me earlier?
Yeah, I told you. He's like... He said that.
I don't know what you're saying. Okay, anyways, next one.
Valerie, my sister, my best friend, her sister, her best friend. Our sister, our best friend. She's the best. We love her. She's at her grandma's right now, or else she'd probably be here with us. We miss her.
Okay.
She has pink hair.
And I have purple and blue hair.
And I have red hair and pink hair.
Except. Okay.
Yeah, I know, it's pink.
Okay. Okay. So are we done now?
Sure.
Okay, bye.